The face mask is manufactured by multi-layer nonwoven fabrics through hot pressing, folding molding, ultrasonic welding, scrap removal, welding of ear bands and nose bridge strips. Various masks with a certain filtering performance are produced. The mask production line is completed by various machines to complete various different procedures. Classification of mask production line: flat mask machine, cup mask machine, duckbill mask machine, folding mask machine, gauze mask machine, and so on. The flat mask machine is divided into inner ear mask machine, outer ear mask machine, strap type mask machine. The production of all three types of flat masks requires a mask. Mask production process. The mask has 3 layers of nonwoven fabric, which is also required by national standards for medical masks. Otherwise the protection requirements will not be met. Making masks. Raw materials of polypropylene fiber. Medical masks are generally referred to as SMS structure. The spunbond layer is a single layer, and the melt-blown layer is based on filtration requirements, divided into single or multiple layers. Melt-blown cloth is a filter layer in the middle of a mask. It has good filterability, shielding, heat insulation and oil absorption. Flat mask production process. 1. 3 layers of nonwoven fabric materials are stacked together through a machine. 2. Roll up and stitch the nose clip into it. 3. A large piece of nonwoven fabric is gradually narrowed from left to right along the slope to make a folded structure. 4. Tableting. Flatten the surface of the mask. 5. Fully automatic single cutting and hemming of masks. 6. Then use a nonwoven fabric to trim the mask. 7. Cut the edge again. 8. Fix the hanging ear rope by hot pressing. 9. Finally pass the quality inspection. Sterilize and package the finished product. Medical masks are sterilized with ethylene oxide. After sterilization, there will be residual ethylene oxide on the masks. The residual epoxy must be analyzed by means of analysis. Ethane is released and meets the safety content standard. After passing the test, it can be shipped from the factory. Under normal circumstances, one machine can produce 2 to 3 masks per second. However, the analytical disinfection process after production takes 7 days to half a month. For more information on mask production equipment, please contact Lisa at rayo.net. WhatsApp, +86 1390 1470 to 859.